vegan banana cake. Almond milk, sugar. Today we are going to make a vegan banana cake. So first I'm going to melt my sugar in almond milk. If you don't want sugar, you can add brown sugar also for this. I'm going to add oil. Mashed banana. Salt. So now evenly combine until your sugar is completely dissolved. Once your sugar is dissolved, we are going to sieve our refined flour, almond flour, baking powder, baking soda. Now fold until it is combined evenly. Going to add this inside a bake and serve mold. I'm going to sprinkle nice fine chopped almonds on top. You can use any other nuts also. I'm going to bake it at 180 degree 25 minutes. Vegan banana cake.